Inside this video, I'm going to take you through a product that just launched called InGame. I've been going through InGame for the past few days, and I'm really liking what I'm seeing because it's the same strategies inside this course that I'm using to build my $5,000 per month business using social media and email marketing. And I really do appreciate the value that has been put inside of this course, so much so that I'm actually going to be giving away 5 different bonuses for anyone who purchases InGame from the link down below this video. And in just a moment, I'm gonna go through those bonuses one by one and show you exactly what I have prepared for a bonus package for anybody who is interested in InGame. So let's go ahead and talk about InGame first right now. So InGame is a product that has just been launched that talks about email marketing using social media, building up an email list, and then making money from that email list using affiliate marketing. And actually the creator behind the course is making upwards of $94,000 every 30 days, which is absolutely incredible. And the way that he's doing this is by leveraging traffic from social media and then targeting that traffic and creating an email list from that and then promoting affiliate offers on the back end. And as you can see here, today he made $1,000, and then yesterday over 2,000, 7 days, 19,000, in the last 30 days, $94,000. So those are the kind of tactics that are taught inside of this InGame course. So let me go ahead and show you the sales page, and then we'll go through the bonuses that I have prepared for you, and then we'll go ahead and go through this members dashboard step by step. So the sales page of InGame looks exactly like this. It's a typical sales page, and the price for InGame is going to be $12.95, which is absolutely insane for that front end offer of InGame. And if you scroll down the sales page, you'll just see a lot of payment proof just to show that the method taught inside of InGame actually does work. And I know for a fact that it works because it's the same methods that I use in my business. And then you can scroll down, you can read all about InGame and the methods taught inside. Now let's go ahead and talk about the bonuses that I paired up with InGame and how exactly you can go ahead and claim those bonuses for yourself. So bonus number 1, I'm giving you access to my Twitter Affiliate Secrets ebook. So I love everything that's taught inside of InGame. It's a great course, but one of the pitfalls with InGame is I feel like the social media traffic part could go deeper. That's why I have given you 5 different bonuses that talk about Twitter, how to use Twitter and how to grow an audience on Twitter to then make affiliate sales with that account. So first bonus is all about that. It's how to make affiliate sales on Twitter. And it's my step-by-step process and how I'm doing it in my day-to-day business. Bonus number 2 is profile leads. I'm going to show you how to get people onto your profile on Twitter. Click on your links, whether that be to collect emails for your email list. You could use the strategies talked about in InGame, or it could be your affiliate link that's inside of your Twitter bio. Next, I'm going to show you how to sell with tweets, step by step. I'm going to show you how to create a sales tweet so that you can get people clicking on those links and buying those affiliate products. Then I'm going to show you how to sell through threads, how to create a value thread ladder and then sell at the end of that ladder so you can get affiliate commissions. And then lastly, I'm going to show you how to close sales inside of DMs. So how to have a conversation with somebody and then move that conversation into a buyer potential conversation so you can start making more sales with affiliate marketing. And those are the bonuses that I have paired up with InGame. Now, how do you get those bonuses? So in order to get those bonuses, you're actually just going to go to your Warrior Plus account, which is absolutely free, and you can create the account simultaneously when picking up InGame because it's ran through Warrior Plus. Once you're inside Warrior Plus, you're going to go over to your name and then you go to purchase history. This is going to be where all of your purchases are. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on a purchase. Your purchase should say InGame. And then after that, you would click on Access Affiliate Bonus. And that is where that Google Doc will be with all of the different bonuses that I just showed you in the previous slide. Now let's go ahead and walk through the members area of InGame so you know exactly what's taught inside of this course. So first off, you have a welcome video. Just It's just going to introduce you to the course and how the format of the course works. Second, you're going to have the case study video, which is 9 minutes long, and that's going to show you how exactly, from a high point of view, how exactly James, the creator of this course, is making $90,000 every 30 days with this method. Then you're going to go into your list building phase, all about email marketing, how to build an email list and how to monetize that email list in a way that can produce results. So you're going to learn the importance of list building. You're going to learn how to find hot affiliate products to promote, how to build a list by using a funnel. You're going to go all the way down to learning how to set up tracking, how to create your bridge page, which takes the buyer from a cold buyer to a warm traffic buyer. And then you're going to go and learn how to integrate autoresponders and set up a sequence to your email list so that you can promote automatically and passively, so it's hands-off completely. That's all going to be taught inside of this section on list building and email marketing. Then you move down to social media, how to build your list using social media. And specifically, he has a lot of success using Facebook. So in this section, he's going to teach you how to use Facebook, how to use a Facebook group, and how to use that in order to build up your email list. I also have you covered with my bonuses, like I talked about before, on how you can use Twitter so you can actually build up an email list without even have to show your face, because Twitter is mostly just words and pictures, so you really don't even have to show your face. So I'm going to show you all of that in the bonuses that are paired with InGame. Also, down here, you have high ticket integration. They're going to show you how to use high ticket affiliate marketing. So you have those $1,000 commissions for affiliate marketing. They're going to teach you how to implement that into your business, into your funnels, and into your email list. And that's all taught inside of InGame. And then you have the bonuses that he has actually given you. So they've actually put together more bonuses on top of the InGame course. And then you have the upgrades. So let's go ahead now and just talk about what the upgrades are inside of InGame. So the upgrades that are offered inside of the course are, number one, 10x profit automators. So this is going to be a list of email swipes that you can use in order to sell affiliate products in the back end of your email list. So you don't have to actually write out those emails yourself. They actually give you the emails pre-written. Upgrade number two is going to be a done for you package. So they're going to actually create the funnel for you and all of the email swipes that go along with that. So it's completely done for you. Upgrade number three is a 10x bundle. So this is going to be more training, more video series on how to make more money with affiliate marketing and how to scale your email list. Upgrade number four is unlimited traffic. And they're going to show you how to get traffic to your email list. So on top of learning how to build a Facebook group and learning how to get traffic through Twitter from my bonuses, they're going to have an extra traffic source in this upgrade. Then they have the reseller rights. So what reseller rights means is they're going to give you the course so that you have 100% affiliate commission throughout. So you can actually promote the course and get 100% of the commission like it was your own course. So that's going to be the reseller bundle. And then lastly, upgrade number 6 is going to be their coaching program. So their coaching program is going to take you through a 6-week intensive training program where they're going to show you step by step how to build an affiliate marketing business from the ground up. So that's all of the upgrades, and those can be found inside of the upgrade section right here inside of the InGame dashboard. So if you're interested in picking up InGame as well as the bonuses that I put together, you can do so through the link down below. I do recommend this course. It teaches the same strategies that I'm using in my business, and that is why I've been diving into this material, and that's why I decided to promote InGame, because I do believe in this method, because it's the only thing that has worked for me. I will see you guys later.